Say you want to buy a house, or you want to build a house, you want to buy that land, or you want to buy that house. Contact Cecilia, Cecilia, Cecilia. Contact Madam Cecilia, 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 Cecilia. Contact Madam Cecilia.
Queen of real estate,
Yeah,
best land and property.
yeah,
Queen of real estate,
yeah.
best land and property.
Luxury living here in Magodo'S. We are offering you a fully detached duplex, 2 units, and a semi-detached duplex, 2 units. One is selling for 380 million, while the fully detached is selling for 480 million. Now, this house takes a lot of beauty. The space, the features of this house is beautiful, and I'm sure you want to see it. You would love to see it. Let me show you. Let's go and tour this house.
Contact Cecilia, Cecilia, Cecilia. Contact Madam Cecilia.
This is your long driveway. This can take up to about, this can take 3 cars, and this can take like 3 cars too. So approximately you'll be having like 6 cars in this spacious compound. This is the fully detached. Of course, this house comes with a security house and a maid room in a secure gated estate. And now I welcome you to this boys to men house. This sitting room is so bright, airy space with large windows that allows plenty of natural light. Wow, can you see the windows? Can you see the windows? The open layouts. It creates a welcoming environment, perfect for relaxing or entertainment. Oh, I've not shown you the visitor's toilet. Please, let's see the visitor's toilets. This is the visitor's toilet. There are workload in the toilet and they're almost finishing up. The workers on site are almost finishing up. So please excuse us with the load in the toilet and in the house as well. The living room feels spacious yet cozy. The sleek tiled flooring adds a modern touch, making it a comfortable spot for family gatherings or quiet evenings. And here we are, where the stomach is very fond of. This modern kitchen features a sleek cabinetry with plenty of storage, a spacious countertop for meal preparation, and high-quality tiled walls for easy cleaning. The well-ventilated layout ensures comfort while cooking, and the design allows for installation of essential appliances. This kitchen is both practical and stylish. Yes, stylish. Perfect for everyday family cooking and entertaining. The kitchen is spacious. The kitchen is nice. Yes. Work is almost completed in the kitchen. And this is the walkway around the kitchen. Your outdoor tap will be put there. And you also get to enjoy a lot of ventilation. Okay, now let's get serious. Let's get serious. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Let's see what the upstairs has for us. And I tell you, this family lounge is everything. Oh! The upstairs sitting room offers a serene and private atmosphere with a sweet view from your balcony. Hey, are you seeing the lavish space that was used for this family lounge? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how massive this family lounge is? The balcony adds an extra layer of charm with an ideal family lounge, giving household members a quiet space to unwind, giving you a pleasing view. All rooms benefit from ample natural light through large windows, making it feel bright and airy throughout the day. The master suite is on the 2nd floor. Wait till you see it. So this is one of the rooms, spacious with enough ventilation. That's the wardrobe there. And the bathroom has a very good finishing. Yes, very good finishing. And this house, all the rooms comes with an inbuilt sound system. So let's see the other room. This is the other room. It's just beside the room we just left now. This room also has an inbuilt speaker, nice finishing, well spacious bathroom, fitted wardrobe, and everything beautiful. So, yes, this is the bathroom. See how clean, how nice, how classy this bathroom is. Everything about this house is classy, simple, and elegant. Okay, let's check the other rooms before we go to the master's bedroom. This one also comes, it's the same as that one. It comes with inbuilt speaker, enough ventilation. As you can see, we also have 5 windows here. The bathroom is also spacious, nice, classy. This is the wardrobe, a mini walk-in closet, and the bathroom also is spacious and well finished as well, with a good ventilation. Also, the basin, the shower, everything speaks class here in this house. Okay, let's quickly take a stroll to the master's bedroom and see how nice, ravishing it is. And yes, this is a welcome dance to this master suite. This simple and classy master bedroom exudes elegance and at the same time understated sophistication. And you would agree with me that the pattern of this master suite is screaming luxury, is screaming simplicity and class. And the walk-in closet is just classy, simple, and of high quality material that was used for this walk-in closet. Featuring an inbuilt speaker, the master suite bathroom is a luxurious, serene space designed with a large walk-in shower, frameless glass doors, and elegant tile work, and a bathtub is also going to be installed here as well, giving you a freestanding soaking tub. Yes, sir. And we have also a dual vanities with sleek countertops, under-mount sinks, and ample storage to provide convenience with a touch of sophistication. This bathroom creates a warm, calming atmosphere with good airy ventilation, completing the spa-like experience for you. Now let's go to the balcony. And you know, there is something about the balcony with a nice view. It just helps you calm your head. With a view like this, and yes, with a view like this, you feel completely at home, seeing your fellow rich neighbor. The overall ambience is serene and timeless, with an emphasis on quality materials and balanced design. This house is for you. You should be calling me to get a unit here in Magodo Phase 2, Lagos, Nigeria. And the second unit is exactly like this. The building, everything is exactly like this. The semi-detached is just a little bit smaller than the fully detached. It's just a little bit smaller than the fully detached. That's in size, but they are almost the same thing. They're almost the same thing. So this is the second fully detached duplex. I said, let me just take a stroll and do guy and come to this place to show my people, my investors, my rich investors, my blessed investors. So this is the bathtub that will be in the master's bedroom. They are going to fix it. You know, we didn't see it in the master's bedroom. So I'll just be showing you around. This is the security house. The security house is closed. They have materials there. And this is, I think this is the maid room. Yes, this is the maid room. So the security house and the maid room. This is the long driveway. With the front space and the long driveway, it can take 6 cars. Thinking about your love. So this is the other unit. I said, let me show my clients so that they will not say, where is the other unit? You didn't show us the other units. Cecilia is showing you the other units now. So they are almost the same thing. One is a fully detached. 2 is a fully detached, sorry. And two other units, they are semi-detached. So this one is one of the fully detached. The semi-detached, they are seriously working on it. So here you have it. I wanted to go upstairs. I said, no need now. It's the same thing. My clients, they already know it's the same thing. So I decided to just imagine how my clients is going to furnish this house when they buy it. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.